Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Watch 3 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu. Once you open the watch face menu, you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping left and right on the screen. Then you can find the watch face you like, tap on it to select it, and once you select it, it will be applied on your watch, as you can see. You can also customize the watch faces. So if you open the watch face menu, you can tap on the settings icon below the watch face, and this will allow you to select the style. So scroll through the list, tap on the style you like, and then tap on the watch face to select it and apply it. You can also change the watch face through the settings on your watch. So you can press the side button to wake up the screen, press it again to open the menu, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, tap on it, then tap on the watch faces option. It will open the watch face menu, scroll through the list, find the watch face you would like to use on your watch, tap on it to select it and apply it. Another way you can change the watch face is through the phone application. So if your watch is paired with a phone, you can use the phone application to change the watch face. So I'm gonna bring my phone right here, zoom out the camera like this. Okay, open the Mi Fitness application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the health page. Now you can tap on the device icon to open the device page. On this page, you should see your Redmi Watch 3. Tap on the watch faces option. And here we can find the watch face we want to use on the list. Tap on it to select it. Then tap on apply. And it should be applied to your watch after a second or two. And once you're done, you can close the application. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.